The Little Star, presented by Wizardry. In a quiet night sky, there was a little star. It was small and not very bright. The little star looked at the big stars and felt sad. "They shine so brightly," the little star said. "I am too small. I cannot shine like them." Still, every night the little star tried its best. It shined softly, even when no one noticed. One night, a man lost in time walked alone under the sky. He looked up and searched for the big star to guide him. But the big star was covered by thick clouds. The man felt confused and scared. Then he noticed a small star shining gently. He pointed to it and followed its light. That small star helped him find his way. The little star felt happy. It learned an important lesson. You don't need to be big to shine. You just need to never give up. Even a small light can guide someone. Believe in yourself and keep shining. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the story, please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next happy story coming soon.